All right, so today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna get out of the city for a little while. We're gonna go out to one of my friends' places and work on one of our new secret projects. Has to do with flying remote control quadcopters and video processing. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. So, if you have the right people and access to the correct training, amazing things are possible. We have one of the best cameramen on staff who has very little experience flying drones. And then we have a connection with one of the premier drone instructors who's actually military trained helicopter pilot that started getting into drones after he got out of the service. And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go check him out and we're gonna have an introduction on how to fly drones. It's gonna be the first of a multi-day course of training that we're gonna be doing. And it's gonna enable us to be able to get really comfortable with flying drones, and that's going to enable us to access a whole nother level for our videos. So looking forward to seeing what happens with this training. Let's go check it out and see how it goes. We're going to get Ricky flying some quadcopters today.